everyone, my name's Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. We're an RV dealer that sells nationwide and we sell the top brands in the industry at generally the very best price that you'll find. And what's great about Paul Sherry RVs is we don't have all those gimmicky fees that your local and even your national dealers are charging you, which I've heard from customers that these fees can be $1,500, sometimes $2,000 in addition to the sale price. So when you're out shopping around, give us an opportunity to earn your business and make sure the price you see is the price you pay. Behind me today is a brand new 2020 and a half Forest River Gray Wolf. This is their Black Label Edition. Now the Black Label Edition, and I'll show you what that entails, is now able to be offered on all of the Cherokee products, which Cherokee is the top selling brand of towables in the United States and has been for the past year to 2 years. So now this Black Label Edition is offered on the Cherokee Gray Wolf, the Cherokee, both their trailers and their fifth wheels, and it's been offered on the Wolf Pups for about 2 years now. So let's turn this around, take a look. This is a model number 26 DBH. This is the best-selling floor plan for the Gray Wolf. It's a double over double bunkhouse travel trailer that is half-ton towable and does have a slide-out room. The big difference on the exterior of the camper with the Black Label package is going to be the gel coat fiberglass and the frameless windows, where typically your Gray Wolves are going to be aluminum sided with your standard windows on it. It does come with power tongue jack, 2 propane bottles, and a brand new battery. That will be put on the RV at no charge to you. We do not charge to put a battery or fill the propane on like a lot of dealers do. This gel coat is really a nice gel coat. What I like about it, it's nice and thick, so you don't get the individual fibers that you can see in the fiberglass, and that allows it to have a nice sheen to the trailer, and it also allows the trailer to stay clean a lot longer because there's not those little grooves that the dirt gets trapped in. And the frameless windows along with the decals really set off this trailer, really makes it look sharp. Coming to the rear, we have a big storage compartment here. This is going to be about 4 foot deep and about 6 foot long at its longest point. Does come standard with an outside shower, and then your appropriate water hookups and your power hookup is right there. Now what I like about the location of the outside shower is it's right next to the dump station. So when you get done dumping, you can rinse out your hose, you can wash your hands with that hot and cold water there. Now this trailer does come with a fully enclosed underbelly. That's going to allow you to camp a little bit later in the fall and a little bit earlier in the spring. Standard option on the Gray Wolves is the travel rack. That travel rack holds up to 200 pounds. It is also your spare tire carrier, and this particular one is optioned with that spare tire. All LED lighting on this really sets it off nicely. 2 entry doors on this floor plan, the 26 DBH floor plan. Does come with a spot where you can put your dog's leash there to keep them out of your neighbor's campsite. And the rear entry door goes right into the bathroom, which I really like. It's great for guests who are over at your, maybe just enjoying some campfire or some s'mores underneath the night sky and they need to use the restroom. They can just go right into this back door. Power awning on this comes standard. 2 axles, both with alloy wheels that look really good with this fiberglass scheme. Outside speakers, there's actually 2 of them here. And what I like, they have the little bitty blue LED light behind them, which actually matches the blue LED light strip underneath the awning. And then there's a spot here to hang a television. That's a really good idea. It's actually the same mount as this one inside, so you can use the TV that you're going to put inside or out. It does have this emblem that's lighted as well that comes with the Black Label package. Standard option now for this year, 2020 and a half, is going to be this outside Deluxe camp kitchen. This is available on all Grey Wolves, not just the Black Label edition. Comes with outside shower with hot and cold water, an ice maker here. Also has dorm style refrigerator. And then coming down here further, it's going to have your 2-burner cooktop and a little wash basin there. This does have the new MoreRide step above entry steps, friction hinge door, and it's a rounded door too, so it's not going to cut into your awning. Nice feature to have. Do have a big storage compartment up front here. One thing I usually tell the quality of the camper is how thick the baggage doors are. Some of them I can just literally twist the baggage door with my hand. So it's a nice thick baggage door. It shows you how it's constructed. So move this battery box out of the way here, but nice deep pass-through storage. Going to be at least 6.5 foot deep, and that actually goes all the way up underneath into your bed. This does come prepped with a solar charge station here. This is going to trickle charge your battery if you opt for that option. All right, let's check out the inside. So outside, different features with the Black Label is going to be your frameless windows and your gel coat fiberglass. Inside, there's a couple more options that have changed. I'll start up in here in the bedroom. Everything in here is just like your normal 26 dBH Grey Wolf. This is a great bedroom. A lot of customers appreciate this bedroom. Hanging closet storage on both sides. Have your power hookup and USB hookup and a nightstand on both sides of the bed. You have a queen bed and you're able to get off either side of the bed. And then a lot of people really appreciate this. It's got solid pocket doors for privacy. It doesn't have the curtains like what a lot of manufacturers use. Stepping back a little further, we have an entertainment system here. So again, the same mount that we saw outside for the television is inside, and then your appropriate hookups are already pre-wired. This does come with an antenna up on the roof, an omni-around antenna, so you don't need to adjust it. It'll actually pick up the signal without having to adjust it. And also there's an HDMI port hooked up here that's actually hooked right into your radio. So speaking of the radio here, this is an AM, FM, Bluetooth radio, and it does a lot more than that. It's got an auxiliary port, an HDMI port, if you want to put up maybe a DVD player off here to the side, and it also has a USB port, so maybe you have some movies on a thumb drive, you can just plug that in right there, and then that's going to play through that HDMI port I just showed you in the ceiling. I really like how they do this glass inserts in the cabinet work here. Really just kind of sets it off. A little bit more expensive to do it that way, but it does set it off nicely. And then the bottom part here of the entertainment system is this 30-inch Furrion space heater and fireplace. And then directly below that, there's actually a spot where you can kick off your shoes. Turning around, looking at the slide room, we have our couch that comes down for extra sleeping. And the oversized U dinette. So this is one thing that's always set the Grey Wolves apart, is a lot of companies started to do U dinettes because they're popular. Unfortunately, some of them, with many manufacturers, were so small you can only fit 3 people around the table. This table you can easily fit 5 people because it's larger. And this U dinette, and because it's larger, it also is a bigger sleeping area when you go to put that down to sleep. Okay, across from the slide out room, we have our pantry, refrigerator, and then our kitchen here. So this is where we get a little bit of changes with the Black Label package, primarily with the countertop. So it has a seamless solid surface LG countertop, which is a rock type material. If I didn't tell you this wasn't Corian, it'd be hard to tell the difference. So it's a nice countertop, and that comes with these sink covers here, which are really nice. Nice solid sink covers, same material as the countertop. All new for the 2020 and a half is the black stainless faucet and the black stainless barn sink. That matches well the rest of the appliances, which are all black. Has the gray stone oven and 3-burner top stove here. That's all gas. Your oven hood, and then your microwave up there if you're more of a hot pocketer. This is new for 2020 and a half, but again, it's available in all Grey Wolves, not just the Black Label edition, is the new 10.1 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator. So this is running off just battery power. It's a 100% 12 volt refrigerator, and it's running off that little battery. I don't know if you saw it on the front tongue jack there. And then this is an option that does come with the black label package. We have our battery disconnect off to the right here, and actually this tells you how much battery voltage you have there. So it looks like we're reading about 11.5 volts right now off my personal battery. A lot of people appreciate this door and what's behind it here. This is your pantry, which is typically hard to find in a trailer this size. You have 5 shelves of storage here. That's a lot. So, but all your box goods and canned goods in there. And then the bunkhouse is a double bunkhouse with double the size of a normal bunk bed. So you get 2 of them the same size. The mattresses are the teddy bear finish mattresses, which are hyperallergenic. So if the kids or guests do have sensitive skin, it should not bother them. USB ports and your normal 110 volt electric ports on both bunk beds. And then there is a little ladder to get up into the top bunk. Then through this door is just the second exit and also your bathroom. So the bathroom does have a tub in it, which I personally like. Great for the little kids. And it is a shower with the skylight in it. Comes with your big, nice whole trailer fan. And then coming around here, have your medicine cabinet. It's actually on an angle, which a lot of companies just put it flat on the wall. But by putting it on an angle, there's some storage behind, and you're directly looking at your mirror when you're at your sink, if that makes sense. All right. That completes this walkthrough of this Gray Wolf Black Label Edition 26 DBH. So thanks for watching. If you could do me a favor and like and subscribe to this channel. And also, if you're in the market for an RV, by all means, jump to our website. I'll post links below, or even give us a call. And we'd be happy to do our best to earn your business. And thank you very much for that opportunity. So I'm Mike Sherry, and I am signing out.